Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Zendesk and signing in with an admin or agent profile. This ensures you can access settings and create workflows. Once signed in, confirm role permissions so you won't hit access blocks later. Next, connect your support email and set ticket forwarding so inbound messages create tickets automatically. This saves manual entry. Make sure to enable the primary channels like email and web widget first, because they form your support intake backbone. Once intake is live, build ticket fields and forms that map to common requests. This structures data and speeds triage. Then create tags and macros for repeatable replies because consistency improves resolution time. Next, configure triggers and automations to route tickets, notify agents, and update statuses automatically. Test each rule with a sample ticket so you avoid loops. Finally, set SLA policies per priority and assign groups. This guarantees tickets land with the right team and you now handle resolution. Use filtered views to prioritize urgent tickets and apply macros to send accurate, fast replies. Once resolved, close tickets and create follow-up tasks for recurring issues. Add internal notes for context. Monitor performance with built-in reports to spot bottlenecks and adjust workflows. If something breaks, troubleshoot by checking audit logs, the order of triggers, and role permissions. These are the usual culprits. If triggers conflict, disable one and retest, then re-enable once fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.